Today, we're going to learn to draw a sunset landscape. Shout out to Maddy, whose painting inspired this story. Recently, I got to help Maddy, a second grader, paint on a big piece of wood. She got really frustrated partway through though, when she tried to blend colors and mix purple with orange. The whole sunset turned a muddy brown and she became so upset. I want to give up and start over, but I can't. She started crying. I explained to her that it's almost impossible to mess up a painting because you can just paint over it and work those mistakes into your new design. She ended up finishing her beautiful sunset, and on the back of that piece of wood, she wrote, "Mistakes are just chances for us to learn." That made me think about God, the best artist in the whole universe, who kind of paints sunsets and sunrises, but he does them in the actual sky. And then they disappear. But he does them all over again the very next day. God's artwork is beautiful. And the Bible tells us in Genesis 1 that he created all people and decided you, the person he created, is one of his best artworks. When we make mistakes, God can just use those mistakes to teach us how to do things better. Just like Maddy learned with her painting. God loves you so much, and he's good at art. From sunsets to sunrises, to people to flowers, to all of God's creation. A link to print off this coloring page is in the description below. Go ahead and let us know your favorite of God's creations in the comments. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to see more videos like this.